Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter add and subtract fractions with like denominators, and the lessons we're going to cover today are add and subtract mixed numbers with like denominators, add three or more numbers with like denominators, add and subtract fractions with like denominators in recipes, compare sums and differences of fractions with like denominators, right? Okay, so please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the lesson. Here I am on grade 5 math. Grade 4 math, the chapter we're working on is add and subtract fractions with like denominators. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is add and subtract mixed numbers with like denominators. Like denominators means they have exactly same denominators, right? How do we solve? Let's just start with the first example, that is 10 whole 1 over 3 plus 6 whole 1 over 3. First you have to convert into proper fraction and then you have to solve, right? Also you can add without converting. 10 whole 1 by 3 plus 6 whole 1 by 3, right? The whole part for both the fractions is 10 and 6, right? And they have exactly same fractional part. So just add their whole portion 10 plus 6 because they have exactly same fractional part. So that is 10 plus 6 is 16, that is 16 whole 1 over 3. Got it? So the correct option is 16 whole 1 over 3. Adding fractions with like denominators is this easy, right? If they both are exactly in the same form. Let's just start with the test questions. Add and subtract you have. Okay, the first one is add, simplify your answer and write it as a proper fraction or as a whole or mixed numbers. So 6 whole 2 over 4 plus 3 whole 1 over 4. Which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. You need to add their whole portion. 6 plus 3 they makes 9. Then you can add their fractional part 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4. They have same denominator. Okay. So just add the whole numbers first. 6 plus 3 they makes 9. You have 2 over 4 plus 1 over 4. They have exactly same denominators. You can simply add their numerators. 2 plus 1 is 3 and that would be 9 whole 3 over 4. Yes, just listen to me carefully. Just look at the both the fractions. 6 whole 2 over 4. The other one is 3 whole 1 over 4, right? Add their whole numbers 3, 6 and 3, that is 9. Got it? Now look at their fractional part 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. They have exactly same denominator, that is 4. When they have exactly same denominator, you can simply add their numerators. So 2 plus 1 makes 3. So the answer is 9 whole 3 over 4. Got it, everyone? that is 9 whole 3 over 4. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, same way you have to subtract, right? 9 whole 4 over 6. 9 whole 4 over 6, take away 2 whole 1 over 6. First, just subtract their whole numbers, right? 9 minus 2 is 7 it is. Just look at their fractional part now. 4 by 6 minus 1 over 6. They have exactly same denominators, right? When they have same denominators, you can simply add their numerators or subtract their numerators. So they have exactly same denominators, simply subtract 4 minus 1, that would be 3. So the answer is 7 whole 3 over 6. Got it? That would be 7 whole 3 over 6. So the correct option is 7 whole 3 over 6, or you can divide 3 by 6 by a common number that can divide both of the numbers, that is 3. So that would be 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. That would be 7 whole 1 over 2. Got it? So the correct option is 7 whole 1 over 2. Okay, the next one is 17 whole 7 over 8 minus 9 whole 4 over 8. So you can solve the question in your notebook and write the answer in the chat box. So I'm waiting for the answer from your side. Which is the correct option? Subtract their whole numbers. 17 minus 9 is 8. Now just look at their fractional part. They have the same denominator. 7 minus 4 is 3. So the correct option is 8 whole 3 over 8. Isn't it? No one is answering. They are not difficult questions. Then why no one is answering? The correct option is 8 whole 3 over 8. The correct option is option number 2. The next one is add, which is the correct option. 10 whole 1 over 3 plus 6 whole 1 over 3, which is the correct option. Add their whole numbers. 10 plus 6 makes 16. Then you have the fractional part 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. They have the same denominators, so simply add their numerator. That would be 16 whole 2 over 3. Got it? The correct option is 16 whole 2 over 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, subtract, which is the correct option. The correct option is yes, that is 6 whole 3 over 9, or you can divide 3 by 9 by their common factor 3. So that would be 6 whole 1 over 3. The correct option is 6 whole 1 over 3. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is The next lesson is add three or more fractions with like denominator. So how do we add three or more fractions with like denominator? They have simply like denominator. When they have like denominators, that is very easy to add them. You simply have to add their numerators. Like just look at the first example, that is 1 over 8 plus 2 over 8 plus 2 over 8, right? So they have the like denominator, that is 8. You need to add their numerator. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So the correct option is 5 over 8. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Simply add their numerators because you have exactly same denominator. So when you add their numerator, it is yes, that is 4 over 5, right? You need to add the numerator, that is 2 plus 1, so that is 4 over 5. The correct option is yes, that is option number 1. The correct option is 7 over 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Add 1 by 9 plus 2 by 9 plus 5 by 9. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 8 over 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. The correct option is 3 over 4. The next one is 4 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 3 by 10, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 8 over 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. One by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5, which is the correct option. The correct option is 4 over 5, right? The correct option is 4 over 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 2 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10, which is the correct option. Yes, that is 5 over 10. The correct option is 5 over 10. The next one is add 1 by 8 plus 2 by 8 plus 2 by 8, which is the correct option. The correct option is 5 over 8. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is Add and subtract fractions with like denominators in recipes. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, if you mix the milk and vegetable oil together, how many cups will there be in all? Okay, so milk is 3 by 4 and vegetable oil is 1 over 4. So 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 equals the correct option is yes, when you add them, that would be 4 over 4. The correct option is 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is 1. The next one is if you mix the peanuts and gumdrops together, how many cups will there be in all? So, which is the correct option? Peanuts is one third and gumdrops is also one third. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 equals 2 over 3. The correct option is 2 over 3 it is, right? If you mix the garlic and pepper together, how many teaspoons will there be in all? So, which is the correct option? Garlic is 7 over 8 and pepper is 5 over 8. So, which is the correct option? You need to add 7 over 8 and 5 over 8. So, when you add them, that would be they have exactly same denominator, right? So you simply need to add their numerators. That would be 7 plus 5. Sorry, 7 plus 5 is 12 over 8. The numerator is greater than denominator, right? You can divide 12 divided by 8. How 16? You don't need to add denominators. Denominator is always same. You simply add numerator. 8 times 1 is 8 and you have a remainder 4. So the correct option is 4 whole, no, 1 whole 4 over 8. Also you can divide them by the common factor 4. So that would be 1 whole 2 over, no, 1 whole 1 over 2. The correct option is 1 whole 1 over 2. Never ever add the denominators. The denominators are exactly same. Got it? Sam? The correct option is 1 whole 1 over 2. You don't need to add the denominators. Simply numerators you have to add. Denominator is 8, not 16. The next one is if you mix the gummy bears and the lemon drops together, how many cups there we will in all? So the gummy drops are 1/3 cup and the lemon drops are 3. No, gummy bears is 1/4 cup and lemon drop is 3/4 cup. So which is the correct option? 3/4 and 1/4 equal. Yes, 3/4 and 1/4 equal 1. So the correct option is 1. If you mix lemon drop and garlic together, how many teaspoons will there be in all? Mm, lemon juice is half and garlic is also half. So which is the correct option? One by two and one by two, right? You need to add 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. And if you think logically, two halves make 1, isn't it? You can do 1 plus 1 over 2, that is 2 over 2 equals 1. The correct option is 1. If you mix the gummy worms and the gummy frogs together, how many cups will there be in all? Gummy worms are 2/3, gummy frogs are 1/3, which is the correct option. 2/3 and 1/3 makes 1. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is add and subtract fractions with like denominators. Word problem, you have to do the word problems on your own, right? The next one is compare sums and differences of fractions with like denominators. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4, and you have to compare it to 3 over 4, right? So first you have to solve the other side where you have 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4, right? So they have like denominators, you simply need to add their numerators. So 2 plus 1 is 3 over 4. So when you compare both sides, 3 by 4 is equal to 3 over 4. Why you can't hear me? I can hear myself. Why you can't hear me? I can hear myself. Everything is fine at my side. You can please check your side. Okay, let's just start with the test question. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? So, which is the correct option? So, here you have 4 over 2 plus 4 over 7 plus 2 over 7, right? They have same denominators, so you can simply add them. 4 plus 2 is 6 over 7. You have to compare it to 5 over 7. They have exactly same denominators. You simply need to compare their numerators. You need to compare 5 and 6. So 5 is less than 6, so that's why 5 by 7 is less than 6 over 7. Got it? Yes, the correct option is less than. The next one is which sign makes the statement true? 2 over 7 plus 1 over 7, you have to compare it to 3 over 7. So, which is the correct option? When you add 2 plus 1 is 3, that would be 3 over 7. So, 3 over 7 is less than 4 over 7 or greater than? Yes, that is less than 4 over 7. The correct option is less. The next one is which sign makes the statement true? 1 over 6 plus 2 over 6, you have to compare it to 4 over 6. So, which is the correct option? So, 3 over 6 is 3 over 6 is then less than 4 over 6. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, you have to compare it to 2 over 3. So, which is the correct option? Yes, they both are exactly equal. Very good. Which sign makes the statement true? Which is the correct option? Yes, 4 by 6 is less than 5 over 6. Which sign makes the statement true? Which is the correct option? Yes, they both are exactly equal. Which sign makes the statement true? That's the same one. Equal. Yes, they both are exactly equal. Which is the correct option? 5 over 8, you have to add 2 by 8 and 4 over 8. So, which is the correct option? Yes, that is less than 5 by 8 is less than 6 over 8. Which sign makes the statement true? 1 over 10 plus 6 over 10, you have to compare it to 6 over 10. Which is the correct option? 5 over 8, you have to add 2 by 8 and 4 over 8. So, which is the correct option? Yes, that is less than 5 by 8 is less than. Yes, 7 by 10 is greater than 6 over 10. Which sign makes the statement true? 1 over 10 plus 6 over 10, you have to compare it to. Yes, they both are exactly equal, right? Which is the correct option? The correct option is they both are exactly equal. No. Yes, but where is he? No, 8 plus 1 is 9. Greater it is. 9 by 10 is greater than 7 over 10. Got it? Okay, we are done with the lesson. We were working on grade 4 math. The chapter we're working on is add and subtract fractions with like denominators, and the lessons we have covered today are Add and subtract mixed numbers with like denominators. Add three or more fractions with like denominators. Add and subtract fractions with like denominators in recipes. Add and subtract fractions with like denominators were problems you have to do on your own. The one we have just finished is compare sums and differences of fractions with like denominators, right? So if you have any questions related to the lesson we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. And yes, thank you all. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.